Hey Bill, what seems to be the trouble? Error codes and snafus got you stumped? These kinds of hangups are no fun. Fortunately, you can easily nip most of them in the bud. Let's get to fixing. In many situations, a power cycle's all it takes to get back to good. With this kind of power cycle, just turn power off and then back on, or disconnect from the power source. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But sometimes, a power cycle is not the cure-all. If you power cycle and troubleshoot, and if an error code reappears, it's time to call a professional service technician. But sometimes a few easy steps can resolve the issue. Let's talk about the different error codes so you can point your service expert to the problem, or fix on your own when possible. First, oven codes. TEST means that the range is in demo mode. Your user manual should explain how to disable demo mode. It's usually a button combination. If you can't find the information, give us a call at 1-800-SAMSUNG. If you see the DE or DC error code, the divider is to blame. Sometimes you'll notice that options are unavailable on your control panel when this occurs. Now, the divider can cause an issue if it was in the oven when you started cooking, or if you put it in after you began. To fix this problem, take the divider out and put it back in correctly. Well done! When you see the door error code, it means the door is not closed. Give it a good push, Bill. Bad line indicates you need to correctly reconnect the power. You might need a pro to come out for this one. The C24 code occurs when the oven temperature is rising higher than the usual rate. Usually this happens because the oven vent is blocked. Unblock the vent. Get that pan out of the way, Bill. Quickly open and close the door a few times so warm air leaves the oven. Now, if your microwave throws you for a loop, power cycle first. If that doesn't work, there are a few other things you can check based on what's happening. If the microwave does not turn on, or turns on by itself, check the circuit breaker to see if it's been tripped. Test another device with the outlet so you can compare. Contact an electrician if tripping continues. Also, see if there is any damage to the microwave cord or plug. Contact Samsung for service as needed. If the microwave is not heating or is not working right, make sure it is not in demo mode. Check the kitchen timer and the door, and see if there is enough clearance on both sides. Microwave still not working? Call for service. Lots of things to consider when it comes to error codes and stoppages. So let's recap. A power cycle is often all it takes to fix your problem. If you still get an error code, call for service. Turning off demo mode can get your oven running again. Look to see if the oven divider is prompting DE or DC codes. Check your cable when you see bad line errors. And clear the oven vent when C24 flashes. Power cycle can also work for microwave issues, but if it's still not heating or has stopped working, it could be due to the circuit breaker, power supply/connection, damage, demo mode, timer, door, and clearance. Give these a look over and see if an easy adjustment is all you need before calling for service. Make no mistake, Bill, error codes can be a real stumper. But now that you are in the know, it's time to get back to cooking. Hurry, Bill!